Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country in the Google Play Store by navigating through your payment and subscription settings for a complete regional reset. First, access payments and subscriptions. While most people look under general settings, the most direct way to change your region is by modifying your underlying Google Payments profile. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Payments and Subscriptions. From this menu, tap on Payment Methods. Scroll to the very bottom and select More Payment Settings. This will redirect you away from the app and open your secure Google Payment Center in your web browser. Next, create a new payment profile. Google ties your store region to your active payment profile, so to change countries, you actually need to create a new one. In the browser window, tap the three-line menu in the top left and select Settings. Scroll down to the Country, Region section and click the pencil icon. Select Create New Profile and click Continue. Choose your new country from the list and enter a valid address and payment method for that specific region. And that's all there is to it. To change your country in 2026, go to Payments and Subscriptions, Payment Methods, More Payment Settings. Once in your browser, create a new payment profile for your desired country, fill in the local details, and wait for the Play Store to sync your new regional library. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.